So guys, we'll be looking at the all-new GLS 400D today. This is the 330 bhp with 700 Nm torque, 6-cylinder 3-liter diesel engine. It's a beautiful looking car. It's got the new multi-beam LED headlights. As you can see, it's got 112 individual LEDs built in. It gives you a range of 650 meters. Got beautifully crafted 21-inch alloy wheels. You can see the rear end of the car. It's beautiful rear end. It's got the easy pack tailgate, so just one click of a button and we can open up the tailgate. Definitely the 3 rows of seats in the GLS, and we've got buttons on the side. So with these 2 buttons, 3 left and 3 right, we can fold down the rear last row of the seats. And with the button on 2 left and 2 right, we can fold down the center row, and you got a button all, so we just click that and it folds down all the seats in the car on one click of a button. So with all the seats down, you've got a boot space of 2,400 liters, which is a massive boot space. Again, just one click up and all the seats will be folding up. You can also lower the car by 50 mm to load and unload luggage inside the car. So I'll show you now. So we can see what the ride height was earlier and how the car is sat down totally. So you can load a lot of luggage into the boot very easily with least amount of effort. Again, just one click up and we can bring the car back to its original ride height. So we can see the boot is the whole car is rising slowly. We've also got the easy pack tailgate, as I said earlier. So we just click it once and it shuts off. The beautiful interior of the car. So we can start from the right side. We've got memory seats, 12-way adjustable. We've got the chauffeur package. We've got the 13-speaker 590-watt Burmester surround sound system. We've got your parking brake. We've got the headlights, auto on daytime running lights. We've got the rear fog light. We've got the height adjustment for the headlights. You've got your unlock lock buttons. You've got the controls for all the windows, your controls for the outside rear view mirrors. If you see, there's an arrow outside on the rear view mirror that shows you the blind spot assist. There's a beautiful 12.3 inch screen here as well as in the center. So you've got dual 12.3 inch screens, and this is a touchscreen with the latest MBUX technology. Beautiful technology. It's got the voice command similar to the GLE and the 4G connection, so it comes with live maps and the Mercedes Me Connect, as you can see the Mercedes Me here. We've also got a huge panoramic sunroof. So you got a massive panoramic sunroof. Got your buttons for the front cabin lights, rear cabin lights, your reading lights, button for the sunroof right here. We've also got a 5-zone climate control in this car. So you've got your climate control switches right here, your 2 zones, airflow button, internal circulation, AC on off, sync, rear defogger, front defogger, your hazard lights. Now if I just click on the menu, you can show you all the 3. So you see first row of seats, second row of seats and third row of seats. So 2 zones in the first row, 2 zones in the second row and a single zone in the third row. So as you can see, we've got 3 zones of climate control in this car, which is the best in class. You also got your Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything onto the screen. You got a 64 color ambient light. You can see the 64 color ambient light right here. Also in the vehicle settings, you can see engine configuration, vehicle. So you can see the degrees that we can turn the steering wheel, the acceleration, brakes, shows you everything, the ride height of the car. You can increase the height of the car by 60 mm in case you're going off-roading or on a rough terrain. So as you can see, we've got 3 stages right here. So +1 is increased by 60 mm, -1 is dropped by 15, and -2 is dropped by 30 mm. So -1 happens at a speed of 80 and -2 as once you cross a speed of 120, and the +1 can be done whenever you need to go off-roading and increase the height of the car. We've also got a wireless charger in the front. We've got Type-C USB charging outlets. We've got 11 charging outlets totally in the car, plus 2 wireless chargers. So you've got a total of 13 charging outlets inside the car. Twin cup holders right here. This is the button to increase the height of the car and drop the height of the car. You've got your buttons for your automatic parking assist, for vehicle, for your radio, media, navigation, telephone right here. We've also got the touchpad. So from the touchpad also we can control the center screen in case you don't want to use the touch screen. You got the dynamic select, the volume. So the dynamic select, the car's got 3 driving modes: comfort, eco, off-road. So everything can be selected. The moment you shift to off-road, you can see the height of the car is rising. So the height of the car rises once you shift to off-road mode, goes up by the 60 mm as I said earlier. Now it's going back down, drop the height of the car. Definitely you've got the multifunction steering wheel, volume for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto or Bluetooth. You got another touch control for the center screen to use from the steering wheel. You got the buttons here to use the center screen right here. You can change the design in the center screen, see your navigation, radio, media, whatever required. So you can shift to different designs. We have also got the classic design. Also got the new design of the gear stick, the direct select lever. We also got the new design right here for your wipers, for your indicators, for rear wipers. Everything's right here. And look how beautifully the car is illuminated with the ambient lights. All the 64 color options available. Now we can see we are in the rear of the car. So your dual zone climate controls right here. You got additional charging outlets right here. You got some storage for your phone. The Burmester surround sound, as I said earlier. You got 8-way adjustable seats at the rear as well, and the beautifully illuminated ambient lighting all the way around in the car. Also on both the rear doors, we've got the controls for the rear blinds and for the sunroof blind. So as you can see, control the rear blinds as well as the sunroof blind right from behind. So everything can be controlled. You've got beautiful cushions right here at the back, and you got the center panel right here. So what you get currently not installed is the touchpad right here. So it's a proper tab in which you can use all your normal stuff like your YouTube and stuff, but also it's got an app by which you can control the central MBUX system of the car. So the central MBUX system can be controlled from this, like your seats, your side blinds, top blind, everything can be also controlled from that screen, from the tab, and also all your music controls and your ambient lighting and everything. Also got a wireless charger right at the back, as I said, and you've got additional twin USB charging outlets right here. We can also see how we get into the rear, into the third row. So as we do, just keep this button clicked right here. Very easy to get into the rear of the car. So as we see, the whole thing folds up in the front. and one can easily get into the rear of the car. So I'll just get into the rear. So after getting into the rear, if there is no one else, you got a button here to lower down the seat in the front. So I just keep this clicked, and the seat in the front will come back. So I can get out on my own. We've also got two Type-C USB outlets in the rear row as well. So as you can see, the seat is come back and fixed just with this button right here. If I keep it clicked again, you can lift off the seat. So it's very comfortable and convenient to use from the last row as well. So we can now see the voice command technology. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Ambient light red.
Okay, I am changing the color.
So we can see it changed from blue to red. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Temperature 16 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 60
So as we can see, since it got recorded from my mic, it changed my side of the temperature. If it gets recorded from any other side, it would change another passenger's temperature. So everything can be controlled. Your live navigation with the voice command, once your phone is connected, your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything possible can be connected via the voice command technology in this car. So this was the total A to Z explanation for the GLS 400D, the all new GLS 400D. It's a beautiful car with beautiful technology, latest in its class, and definitely the car looks glorious.